Jeep is celebrating the 20th anniversary of the Rubicon, which was first introduced on the 2003 TJ Wrangler. It's available on both the 4xe and the 392 models. Those are the only engine options available. And it has a variety of exterior upgrades, such as an all-new grille that's only used on this model. It's got steel bumpers and front grille guard. It's got some stickers on it too that are specific to the 20th anniversary edition. And on the hood, the stickers even show what features come on the Rubicon, like locking differentials. Depending on which version you get different suspension and tire upgrades. The 4xe gets a 1/2-inch lift and 33-inch tires, and the 392 gets a 2-inch lift with 35-inch tires. Additionally, you get rock rails on the sides. You get a red leather interior with red seat belts, like old special Rubicons. And if all of this isn't enough, there's a special AEV Level 2 package. That's for American Expedition vehicles. And they add their own exterior upgrades. They add a 2.5-inch lift and 37-inch tires. It's available for both versions of the vehicle. Now, these are pretty expensive. The 4xe starts at a little over $70,000, and the 392 V8 one starts over $90,000. For that AEV Level 2 package, the package costs more than $20,000 for either one. And that means that on the 392, you're going to be spending more than $100,000 for that special Wrangler.